Hello guys, welcome to our 6th tutorial of this CSS animation crash course. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at how you can repeat your animation. So to repeat your animation we use this property called animation iteration count, and what this does is it sets the number of times you want your animation sequence to be played before it stops. Let's say for instance in our previous tutorial we created this. If you refresh here, see it's delaying and then playing, and then just write 2 here and then it stopped. So what if you wanted it to repeat itself? What if you wanted it to this guy to keep writing maybe 3 times or 4 times? So to do that we use animation iteration count, and that we will set on how many times we want our animation to be repeated before it stops. So let's say we wanted this animation to happen 3 times before it stops. So we come in here, but before we do that, let's just remove. I just want us to remove this delay here, since I don't want it to delay our animation. So to repeat our animation we use, like I said, we use animation iteration count, and that will set how many times we want our animation to be repeated. So let's say we wanted these guys to go around maybe 4 times before it stops. So we set 4 there, save, come in here and then refresh. So this guy should write 4 times before it stops. 1 time, jumping 2 times, jumping back 3 times, then come back 4 times, and then it should stop there. So we repeated our animation 4 times and then it stopped there, right? And then you see, if you see your animation, once this guy reach here, it just jump here. You will see it jumping from here to here, just jumping there. So that doesn't really look good. It's not really a smooth animation. So to fix that, how about we start our guy from outside of our window and then add outside of our window, and then we just see him riding through here. We will not see him where he is starting and where he is ending up. So you just see him riding here, and to do that you just come here. So let's say we wanted him to start outside, so let's say 250, negative 250, then outside, and then we wanted him to end up at 1250 pixel outside of our window. So what that does is he's starting outside here and then he is ending outside of our window. So we will not see where he is starting or where he is ending. We will just see him riding through our window there. So if you refresh them, just see him riding till the end, and then starting over again, riding. So he is starting outside, and then 3 times, so 4 times, right? Then 1, 0 and 4 times, since we only wanted our animation to be repeated 4 times, that's the 4th time. So he stopped outside. That's because we said he is stopping outside our window there. So to fix that, we want our guy to just keep on riding. He is not stopping anywhere. Our animation will just keep on repeating itself. And to do that, instead of using numbers, we use a keyword. And the keywords that you can use is infinite. And what that does is you want your animation to just keep on playing infinitely. It's not stopping anywhere. So if you refresh, your guy will just keep on riding over and over and over and over again. It's not stopping. Riding, going through your screen, and that will just like this guy is just going around in circle, just riding on the screen, going around in circle. So yeah, that's how you add an iteration count. You can either use number if you want to specify how many times you want your animation to play or to be repeated, or you can just put infinite if you want your animation to keep on repeating over and over and it's not stopping. So this guy is just going to be keeping on riding. Let's just hope he doesn't get tired. But yeah, that's how you can repeat your animation. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, then make sure you drop it down in the comments down below, and then we'll definitely get back to you. And if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any content that will be posted. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.